Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about a module which is called Pytube. So Pytube is going to allow you to basically download videos from YouTube and get different information from there. So let's say we have the following URL. And this points to my very first video on YouTube. And what I would like to do is to get some basic information about it. So I would like to import from Pytube the YouTube class. Yeah, and by the way, I've created a virtual environment and pip installed Pytube. And now what I need to do is to create my video variable, which comes from the YouTube class instance, and I have to pass this as an argument, the video URL. And what I can do now is to execute it, and after printing out the video, you will see that this is just the basic class information. I can get different types of informations about this video. So for example, we can get the views, the title, and so on. So let's create a nice f string. So print this video has title and views. Now if I execute it once again, you will see that my video's title is Hello World and it has 179 views. So this is not my most successful video. But after that, what we can do is to basically download this video, and this is how we could do it. We need to pass a few arguments. So for example, these are the arguments that we would like to use, and this is basically a progress bar, a complete, a proxy. You could use authentication and whatnot. But if we go back to this video, we should have the download option. So now we have the thumbnail URL, and now we should be able to do it. A, B, D, description, video ID, and we could also check different playlists. For example, if we have this following playlist in the URL, so list this is the information that we get. So let's run it. And as you can see, we have the option to get the streams. So streams, and let's just try to execute it. And it is working now. This is going to give us back a list of streams that we can reference one by one. It gives us about information about resolution, bitrate, and so on. And we also have the option to use playlists. So if I go to YouTube and check for my channel, here you should see different playlists, and if I go to the Narnia, it starts with a marketing bullshit list of YouTube, and we can use the playlist class, which we have to import, and just give this information. And we should be able to get different types of information from the playlist as well. So technically this should be how you can use, yeah, these are the YouTube videos in the playlist, how you can use Pytube. And that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next